In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the zoom level on Outlook email. If your emails feel too small or too large to read comfortably, adjusting the zoom is a quick way to make the reading pane match your preference without changing the actual font size of the message. This means you'll see text bigger or smaller on your screen, but the message itself stays unchanged for the person who sent it or anyone you forward it to. Let's start with classic Outlook. First, make sure your mail is open so you can see your inbox and reading pane. Look down to the bottom right corner of the Outlook window. You'll see a zoom slider with a percentage indicator. Drag the slider left to zoom out and right to zoom in. Outlook shows the change immediately, and you can set anything from 50% up to 200% depending on what feels comfortable. If you prefer shortcuts, keep your hands on the keyboard. Hold the Control key and press the plus key to zoom in, or hold Control and press the minus key to zoom out. If things get a bit too large or small, press Control and 0 to snap right back to 100%. These shortcuts are especially handy when you are quickly moving between messages with different formatting. You can also use a mouse wheel if you have one. Hold down the Control key and scroll up to zoom in, or scroll down to zoom out. This is great for fine-tuning the view without taking your eyes off the message. Now, for the new Outlook and Outlook on the web. The process looks a little different. Click a message in your inbox so it opens in the reading pane. Then go to the View tab at the top. In that menu, select Zoom. From there, adjust the zoom level just as described before until the text looks right for you. The change applies to how you see the email in your browser or the new Outlook app. Again, without altering the message itself. That's it. With these options, you can read comfortably in any version of Outlook. Thanks for watching.